Choosing the right tool can make or break a build session. The best electric screwdriver for PC building saves time, protects delicate components, and turns tedious teardown work into something almost enjoyable. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Fanttik E2 Ultra Electric Screwdriver. If you've ever stripped a tiny screw on a motherboard standoff, you'll appreciate what the E2 Ultra brings to the table. Its Neo-Pulse motor spins at 270 RPM while offering 5 distinct torque settings, ranging from a whisper-soft 0.05 Nm up to 0.6 Nm, giving builders fine-grained control when working around GPUs, RAM slots, or delicate ribbon cables. That range matters because PC building often means switching between securing a heavy cooler bracket and adjusting a tiny M.2 screw within minutes. The 800 mAh battery is a genuine up.
What really sets this kit apart is the RevoStore case, a pop-up aluminum alloy housing with a magnetic rotary bit organizer that keeps all 50 bits sorted instead of rattling around loose in a drawer. Builders get 12-bit types, a pry bar, and tweezers, which covers most case panels, expansion cards, and connector work without needing a separate toolkit. The gradient indicator bar is a small but thoughtful touch, letting you glance down and confirm torque gear or screw direction without guessing. Limitations are minor. This isn't built for anything beyond small, precise hardware, so heavier chassis work still needs a manual driver.
Number 2. DEWALT 4V Compact Electric Screwdriver. DEWALT's reputation for durable tools carries over nicely into this compact driver, and PC builders who already trust the brand for other projects will feel right at home. It delivers up to 44 inch-pounds of powered torque, with a manual override reaching 124 inch-pounds when extra force is genuinely needed, which is handy for stubborn screws on older cases or thicker sheet metal panels. The 360 RPM no-load speed keeps things moving quickly, and the 2 amp-hour battery is rated for roughly 680 screws per charge, meaning most build sessions won't require a mid-project recharge. 6-stage torque adjustment gives users real flexibility, and the soft start feature combined with 2 lower speed modes helps prevent the kind of over-tightening that cracks plastic standoffs or strips screw heads on motherboards.
The quick load collet is a practical detail, letting you swap between the 12 included 2-inch bits without fumbling, which speeds up repetitive tasks like securing drive bays or expansion slots. USB charging is fast, with a full recharge in about 60 minutes, and the LED battery indicator removes the guesswork of wondering how much juice is left mid-task. Build quality feels solid and workshop-ready rather than delicate, which suits builders who also handle general electronics or furniture assembly. The main trade-off is that it's a bit more utilitarian in design compared to some competitors, without extras like organized bit cases or interactive displays.
Number 3. Bosch Go Screwdriver Electric Screwdriver. Bosch keeps things refreshingly simple with the Go 3, and that simplicity is exactly its appeal for PC builders who want a no-fuss tool that just works. 7 torque settings via the clutch mechanism give enough granularity for tasks ranging from mounting a motherboard to securing a delicate M.2 heatsink, without needing to dig through menus or displays. The universal bit locker accepts any standard 1/4-inch hex bit, so builders aren't locked into proprietary bit shapes, which is a real advantage if you already own bits from other brands. An LED ring doubles as both a work light for dim case interiors and a battery status indicator, combining 2 useful functions into one unobtrusive feature.
The kit itself is minimal but sensible. 8 bits, a bit holder, USB-C cable, and a compact case, with the cable tucked neatly under the tool inlay so nothing gets lost in transit. That minimalism is also its limitation. Builders wanting a large bit selection or higher torque ceiling for heavier furniture-style work may find this kit a bit light on extras. Where it shines is portability and ease of use, since the compact size and light weight make it comfortable for extended sessions without wrist fatigue. It's the kind of tool you toss in a bag for LAN parties or repair jobs on the go.
Number 4. Jorest Xbox Electric Screwdriver. Despite its console-focused name, this Jorest kit is a genuinely capable option for PC builders thanks to its broad accessory set and dual-mode handle. 5 torque levels between 0.15 and 0.75 Nm cover most delicate electronics work, while a 7 Nm manual mode is available for screws that need extra initial force, particularly ones factory sealed with adhesive. The manufacturer's own tip about loosening glued screws by hand first before switching to electric mode is a nice practical detail that shows real user testing went into this design. Physically, the aluminum alloy handle is non-slip and ergonomic, and the compact body makes it easy to maneuver inside cramped case interiors or behind cable management panels.
4 built-in LED lights help illuminate dark corners of a PC case, which builders working under a desk will appreciate. Battery life is solid for the size, with a 500 mAh cell offering roughly 1,500 screws per charge, and Type-C charging keeps things modern. Where this kit truly stands out is sheer volume. 140 precision bits, plus 13 accessories, including an anti-static wrist strap and magnetic mat, essentially replace an entire repair toolkit. That said, the sheer number of bits can feel like overkill for someone who only builds occasionally, and it's explicitly not meant for large equipment.
Number 5. HOTO Cordless Electric Screwdriver. HOTO takes a more tech-forward approach with a built-in smart display that shows torque level and battery percentage in real time, removing the guesswork that comes with dial-based competitors. 6 torque settings, spanning 0.5 to 6 Nm, give it one of the widest ranges in this lineup, comfortably covering delicate motherboard screws on the low end and sturdier case or furniture assembly tasks on the high end. The dual-speed trigger is a particularly clever mechanical touch. A half press delivers a gentle 80 RPM for careful positioning, while a full press jumps to 200 RPM when you just need the screw driven quickly. That kind of tactile control suits builders who want speed without sacrificing precision on sensitive components. 30 premium bits.
Split between long and short variants across 20 types are stored in a triple-layer rotating cylinder that keeps everything organized and quick to access mid-build. Battery capacity is the largest here, at 2,000 mAh, meaning fewer charging interruptions during long sessions, and the 360-degree LED lighting is genuinely useful for illuminating tight spaces inside a case without needing a separate flashlight. Build quality feels premium, matching its higher tech positioning, though the smart display and added electronics may be more than casual users need.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.